to the channel. If you happen to be a newbie passing through, seeing me for the very first time, welcome to the channel. My name is Lamb, and I'm known as for being the beauty on a budget who loves not breaking her bank for a fabulous look. So I highly encourage that you hit that subscribe button, turn on your bell notifications, therefore you will never miss an upload, period. Like, trust me, you don't want to miss the uploads I'll be sharing on this channel. You don't want to do that, which brings me to today's video. I'm doing another wig review. Today's wig is going to be by Outre, and her name is called Anastasia. Looks like this right here. This, oops, excuse me. This is what she's looking like. That is the model that is on the packaging. And how I came to find out about Anastasia is, you know, from YouTube. So she's not new to being on YouTube, but she's new to me from seeing her all over YouTube, and I wanted to give her a try. So when I got her out of the packaging, you know, this is the face card. Like I said right here, this is what she's looking like. This is what she's looking like outside of its packaging. I went with color DRFF Cardinal Red. Yeah, I wanted to spice it up a bit, so I went with this red color. Beautiful highlights, and I'm happy today to be able to share her with you all. So I already got her on the wig head, and now I'm going to cut the lace, and I'm going to try her on and see what her hype was all about. Now the funny thing is, I've seen this wig in the other colors that it comes in, but I did not see anyone with this red, so that's what attracted me to getting this wig. Oh, excuse me, by the way, she is a lace front right here. She's a lace front. So I'm going to cut the lace, and then I'm going to try her on and give you my honest feedback about it. Okay, so I got the lace now cut. I noticed that a lot of, you know, the other YouTubers that usually do wig reviews, they put the wig on their head and then they cut the lace. I'm very retro, old school type YouTube, where we will put it on a wig head and then cut the lace, because I don't have time to be nicking my forehead. I've seen it happen in a few videos. So anyway, when it comes to this wig here, a little bit more specs. She has two combs right here, 1 and 2 up in the temple, and she also have a comb in the nape of the neck, and she has adjustable straps. So we're just going to put her on and see what she's like. This is just my first impression, and, you know, try on, see if she's going to complement my outfit that I will be wearing today. Let's see. Okay doll, so this is what Miss Anastasia is looking like. I like her. This is the parting space. I didn't do any manipulation on the parting space as far as its length or its width. So what you see is exactly what you are going to get. I did add my face powder on the parting space, and that was only to brighten it up so it can be appearing, you know, more visible. But she is a synthetic unit, and she's current iron safe, flat iron safe, up to 400 degrees. She comes in a plethora of different colors. This is what she's looking like. Anastasia, that's the model on the packaging, and this is what she looks like when you put her on. And yeah, so now I'm gonna go ahead, get dressed, and I'll come back and give you all my final thoughts. Okay, glam dolls, so here is how I decided to style Anastasia with my outfit of the day. What I love about Anastasia is the colors were so vibrant, so I felt that the shirt that I'm currently wearing, the wig complemented the colors that is within the shirt. Now, early on in this video, I told you, I said, hey, you know, I'm known as for being the beauty on a budget who loves not breaking her bank for a fabulous look. And I encourage you to hit that subscribe button, This is one of the reasons. The jeans that I'm wearing right now, I got them from Rainbow Shops, aka, as I refer to it, the Blue Bag Boutique, for only $7 off their clearance rack. And I felt that Anastasia will style perfectly with the shirt I'm wearing, which also complements these $7 jeans that I got on. Yes, dolls, these jeans is from Rainbow Shops, aka the Blue Bag Boutique. Now, the reason why I call Rainbow Shops a Blue Bag Boutique, simply because they bags are blue. That's why I call it the Blue Bag Boutique. But anyway, this video is more so about the wig. So when it comes to this wig, as I said, she is synthetic fiber. And you know, when it comes to me with my wigs, hey, I'm all for it, simply because it's an unlimited, all right, an unlimited amount of styles, textures, lengths, and colors that I don't have to commit to, that will complement fabulous outfits of the days or moods or venues of choice in which I may be going to. So today it's going to be Anastasia to go with this outfit right here. And I wanted to, you know, share that with you all. I do get a lot of questions on, you know, how do I pick my wigs, and that is how I pick them. I pick them according to the outfit, the venue, the style, the length, the color, or the texture, whatever the case may be. So on that note, oh my gosh, just have now concluded the video because I gotta get out of here. I want to thank you all for taking the time to watch this video. Information about Anastasia will be down in the description box below. Make sure you check there for details, and I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls. I really like this look. Yeah, I really do. Okay, glam dolls, oh my gosh, welcome and welcome back to the channel. But if you happen to be a newbie that's passing through, seeing me for the very first time, welcome to the channel. My name is Glam, and I'm known for being the beauty on a budget who loves not breaking her bank for a fabulous look. So I highly encourage that you hit that subscribe button, turn on your bell notifications, therefore you will never miss an upload, period. Like, trust me, you don't want to miss the uploads I be sharing on this channel. You don't want to do that. Which brings me to today's video. I am back with the Blue Bag Boutique. For the newbies, I refer to Rainbow Shops as the Blue Bag Boutique simply because their bags are blue. That's it.